Greetings, everyone. Sarah here, your favorite signing agent newbie with a hot business summer update. North Carolina has reinstated the emergency virtual notarizations. So remember when they let it run out? Well, it's back and we're going to get into it really quick. So remember I told you guys, one day you're just going to wake up and something going to happen? Well, that's what happened. So over the weekend, and happy July 4th for everybody who's celebrating. Let's get into it. So over the weekend, well, Saturday, we got some people got a text. I went and got the bill. So I'm going to read the information that we received from earlier that's going around. It says, great news as we head into the holiday weekend. A permanent remote online notarization bill is closer to becoming law. The House and the Senate both approved House Bill 776 today, and it now goes to Governor Cooper's desk for his consideration before it can become law. Because of the extensive and complex amount of work to prepare the R.O.N program, the effective date is set at July 1st, 2023, which is next year. Here is what you need to know now. There will be three things that become effective immediately upon becoming law after the governor signs. Um, you will be able to resume emergency video notarization under the same procedure that was established during the pandemic. This is necessary. This is a necessary stopgap solution while the R.O.N program is established over the next year. And the fees that you will be able to charge um, will be increased. So for acknowledgments, jurats, verifications, and proofs, the new fee will be $10 per principal signature. For oaths, affirmations without a signature, the fee will be $10 per person, except for the identity of the principal or subscribing witness. For an electronic notarization under 188, the fee $15. For e-notarizations, the new remote online notary fee will be $25 per principal signature when R.O.N becomes effective in July of 2023, which is true because when I spoke to Ozzy at the e-notary conference, that's what he was saying he was doing, trying to get us more money. Um, for any notarial acts under 10B, actual mileage at the federal mileage rate can be charged if the travel reimbursement is agreed to by the principal in writing prior to travel. State of North Carolina uses federal mileage rate of 62.5 cents per mile. Now, I know you'll be like, well, what does this have to do with loan closings? Well, actually, no, not yet. This is the actual bill. Let's go over here and show you the bill really quick. So if you want a copy of this bill is actually in the file section in the group, and it is also on the resources tab on NorthCarolinaNewbie.com. And it actually, this is the bill. And I rather you have the proof so you can see what's going on. They adopted it, as you can see, they adopted it 9/28. And they're going through the dates. Fourth and gross. Conference recommends Senate House represent adopt this report. And it was June 30th, 2022. Warren, Bill, and Destin signed it. And these are the House chair and the Senate. And you can see here where they went ahead and signed everything. So this is on its way to Governor Cooper's desk. So they've been working hard. I'm under the impression that North Carolina, I know it says a year, but I'm under the impression that North Carolina, um, they really want to create a really comprehensive R.O.N platform. Um, Again, I speak more on loan closings because I do more loan closings than I do general notary work, and that is by choice. However, let me just get my screen. Yeah, okay. No, that's not cute. So, however, you need to know your notary laws. because you have to be a notary first before you can conduct loan signings. I mean loan closings, because Rob, thank you, Rob, for that one. So loan closings, and when you're doing loan closings, you need to know that we're going into uh, e-closings. That's the goal. You want e-closings. So most people will be like, well, oh, let me get back to something else. So as you can see, the e-notary solutions provider has not changed. One of the companies that I'm looking forward to working with, and I've reached out to them today, is Escrow Tab, because they do have IPN. They were at the conference. I don't think the Secretary of State has uploaded everything yet. So at this point, hold on, let me go over here. At this point, we still working. We still new. Like this happened over the weekend. I'm doing this on a holiday, and they're not even at work. So give the Secretary of State time to update their things. But I'm sure that Escrow Tab IPN will be one of the solutions provider. Also, I got my seal, my electronic notary seal. I got that. I got mine from the NNA. And the reason that I got my e-stamp is basically, even before all this, is because, listen, if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. So if anything come across my desk, I want to be ready to get it. So these are the vendors that accept NNA's electronic seal. It's only $20. So again, like I say, you need to know this, and you need to know your notary laws. Also, let's talk about closings and electronic mortgages. The goal is to do complete e-closings. But before we can do e-closings, we have to have a R.O.N, and we don't have R.O.N yet. So they're moving. It's progress being made. Again, like I say, do I think it's going to take a whole year? Nah, I have faith in my peeps up top. They're going to get it done. But if you read about go to the Secretary of State and read what they're talking about. Go to the source, because they know, okay? In order for any full e-closing to happen right now, we're doing hybrids where the actual signer is doing some online, and then we'll come and we'll get the paperwork. But, after that, soon we'll just do full hybrid where we can actually do it and they just do it right there on the thing. And then next thing you know, it'll be a full e-closing. So we're not there yet because we need R.O.N first to do that. And they say next year, but I don't think it's next year. I'm telling you to get ready now. The Secretary of State also has a frequently asked question about emergency video notarizations. That is also in the file tab in the group. And I'm also going to, I think I'm going to update this also on the website, northcarolinanewbie.com, so you can see this. Again, like I say, you need to know your notary laws for your state so you can perform correct loan closings. Okay, so please. And you can also join. I wanted to show you guys really quick before I go, and that is this right here. This is my June snapshot summary. Every month I put it on there. And as anyone can see, and if you've been keeping up, my numbers are going down. And it's not because I have a job or anything. It's just that's what's been available. For those who don't know, if you see my shirt, I am Snapdog's Bay. So my Bay is literally, I made less than $1,000 from one of my main sources of revenue. Will I stop being a loan closer? Of course not. You just expand. I expect this. I've been in business for 2 years at this point, and it's time to redefine and get it together. So that's why it's hot business summer. But I really want you guys to stay abreast of what's going on, and I want you to definitely keep a tab on what's going on, because you really want to get in there first. I think that's it. Let me look at what my okay, yeah. I think that's it. Give me 1 second. Yeah. So they already went ahead. So please be on the lookout. Please have your stuff in order. Also, if you want to go to the Secretary of State's site, they do have the resources. If you go to, and let me make my screen bigger. All right, there we go. If you go to divisions, if you go to notary, just click notary. Okay. If you haven't, if you're not getting no general notary work, have you actually registered here? Because make sure you register now. You got to register up here and then people can find you. You understand? And you can register your e-notary if you already been an e-notary. I don't talk much about notarizations so much, but we have to know it. If you want to be an effective loan closer or anything that has to do with notarizations, you need to know your business. So don't forget, give me 1 second. I'm sorry, I'm scrolling up and down. Give me 1 second. I just wanted to show you this really fast. Um, they have a frequently asked questions tab here, and they go through everything. They have paperwork and everything here. So get familiar with the Secretary of State this week. I'm also going to come out with another book for you guys. It's going to be real simple. So again, if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. North Carolina is on the move, and they say 2023. I would say fall. Keep our fingers crossed. And I hope you guys are having a great holiday. I just wanted to bring this to you so you can be up to date on what's going on, and go to the group. All this that I just presented will be in the group. If you have any other info, please drop the comments down below. I mean, it's the network. I'm not the only person in the network. It's a lot of us. Everybody has something to offer. So if you got any other thing or if you heard anything more, please feel free to share. All right. So until next time, guys, happy signings, and see you later.